You think you're doing push-ups right. Let me guess. Hands on the floor, chest down, chest up, done. Easy, right? Well, not really, because most people, even the ones who hit the gym daily, are doing them wrong. And that means all that effort, wasted. No gains, maybe even pain. But don't worry, in the next 90 seconds, I'll fix that for you. Let's crush those mistakes one by one and make your push-ups actually count. Mistake number 1, looking up like you're searching for Wi-Fi. Yeah, stop doing that. When you crane your neck, your spine goes out of line, and your neck hates you for it. Instead, just look slightly ahead of your hands. Keep your head in one straight line, like a plank of steel, smooth and strong. Mistake number 2, elbows flaring out like chicken wings. If your arms look like a big T, your shoulders are screaming for help. Tuck those elbows in, about 45 degrees. From above, your body should look like an arrow, not a cross. And finally, hips sagging like a hammock. This one's a classic. You're not resting, you're ruining your lower back. Tighten your core, squeeze your glutes, and keep that body in a straight line. No dips, no shortcuts, just solid form. So now that you've fixed your form, go try it. And this time, actually feel the difference. Every rep should burn right, not hurt wrong. Because push-ups aren't just down and up, they're about control, power, and precision.